Hi, my name is Goodluck. Welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. In today's video, I will walk you through on how to simplify an exponential equation leading to simultaneous linear equation. We are given to solve for x and y in the equation given to us. The equation is 2 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of y equal to 9, and 2 to the power of x plus 2 minus 3 to the power of y plus 1 equal to 8. Now, how do we simplify this kind of equation? First of all, let's write out our equations again. We have that 2 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of y equal to 9, and 2 to the power of x plus 2 minus 3 to the power of y plus 1 equal to 8. Now, from our laws of indices, we know that if I have a to the power of m plus n, this can be expressed as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So if we use this particular expression in our equations, our equations becomes 2 to the power of x plus 3y equal to 9, and 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power of y times 3 equal to 8. Now we can finally express our equation to become 2 to the power of x plus 3y equal to 9, and 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of x minus 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of y equal to 8. Now I will call this equation 1. I will call this equation 2. We have two equations that can be solved simultaneously. For us to be able to solve this, we will use one of the methods of solving simultaneous linear equation, either graphical method, elimination method, or substitution method. So we can make substitution. So we can say that let p be equal to 2 to the power of x and q equal to 3 to the power of y. So our equation 1 and 2 becomes p plus q equal to 9, and 4p minus 3q equal to 8. For us to simplify the equation now, I am going to use the substitution method. From equation 1, I will have that p is equal to 9 minus q. Let me call here equation 3, and if we substitute equation 3 into equation 2, we obtain the value of q, which is one of our unknown. So our equation now becomes 4 open bracket 9 minus q minus 3q equal to 8. Now, first of all, we expand our bracket. So 9 times 4 is equal to 36 minus 4 times q is equal to minus 4q minus 3q equal to 8. Now, from here, we can collect like terms. So we have that minus 4q minus 3q is equal to 8 minus 36. So minus 4q minus 3q is equal to minus 7q. And 8 minus 36 is equal to minus 28. So therefore, our q becomes minus 28 divided by minus 7. So minus, cancel out minus, we have plus. So 7 into itself is 1. 7 into 28 is 4. So therefore Q is equal to 4. Now we have obtained the value of Q equal to 4. It's now for us to obtain the value of P in our equation. Now we can obtain the value of P using either equation 1, equation 2, or equation 3. But I'm going to use equation 3. Hence, to obtain P, I will substitute the value of Q equal to 4 into equation 3. And I will have that P will be equal to 9 minus 4. Therefore, P is equal to 5. If you recall, we made a very simple substitution that let P be equal to 2 to the power of x and let Q be equal to 3 to the power of y. Now, if that is true, we can write back our equation as P is equal to 2 to the power of x and Q is equal to 3 to the power of y. Now, since P is equal to 5 and Q is equal to 4, we have that 5 is equal to 2 to the power of x and 4 is equal to 3 to the power of y. Now we have these two equations given to us. One of the ways we solve it is that we will take the log of both sides. Therefore, we have 5 equal to 2 to the power of x. Taking the log of both sides, we have that log 5 to base 10 is equal to log 2 to the power of x to base 10. Now, at this point, we can write that log 5 to base 10 is equal to x log 2 to base 10. To obtain the value of x, we can make s the subject of our formula. So we'll be left with x equal to log 5 to base 10 all divided by log 2 to base 10. Now, if we use our logarithm table, log 5 to base 10 is equal to 0.6989 and log 2 to base 10 is equal to 0.3010. So therefore x is equal to 2.288. Also, 4 is equal to 3 to the power y. If we take the log of both sides, we have log 4 to base 10 equal to log 3 to the power y to base 10. This can also be expressed as log 4 to base 10 equal to y multiplied by log 3 to base 10. Now, if we make our y subject, we have that y is equal to log 4 to base 10 divided by log 3 to base 10. Now, this will be giving us, if we punch our calculator, we have that log 4 to base 10 is equal to 0.6620 and log 3 to base 10 is equal to 0.4771. Therefore, y is equal to 1.2617. That is the answer. Hence, we can be able to write that x is equal to 2.288 and y is equal to 1.2617. That is the answer. Congratulations. you have been able to solve a differential equation leading to simultaneous linear equation. I believe you can now be able to solve any problem given to you. And if you know you found value in the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Please share it so that someone else that needs this solution can get it. Thank you so much. And if you have any question, please drop at the comment section and I will reply you. Thank you and see you in the next video.